Hi there, Pam. Hope you're having a great day. I hear that you might be going to a graduation event tonight. So have a great time. Per our discussion last week, I wanted to create a small video showcasing our studio. So do a quick walkthrough. I'll do some introductions of the core team that would be working with you, and then talk about the process a little bit. So I'm starting the video out here in beautiful Redmond, Seattle area in Washington. It is raining like it always is. It's nice and fresh though. This is the opening, the front of our office. And now I'm gonna turn the camera around and kind of do a little quick walkthrough. Thanks so much. All right, so let us ring the bell, see who will open the door for us. So this is what we call the lobby area, and here comes Kyra. Hi, Kyra. So we're making a quick video for Pam.
Okay, hi Pam.
Pam, this is Kyra, who will be your lead PM. Kyra will kind of oversee the whole project. She'll start out with creating a workback schedule, and then she'll be your main contact as the project goes on.
And look who's joining us.
What's that? Oh, perfect. And perfect timing. We also have Ike, who is our CEO.
How's it going?
Making a quick video for Pam and Ryan.
Okay, great.
To give an overview of how we do things. And so there we are.
Here we are.
You want to say hi?
Hi everyone, looking forward to working with you guys.
Intro to the team. Let's meet them.
All right. So this is the lobby area, Pam, Ryan. And this is when you're not recording, you can have rest, review, and do all the great things here. We have some offices, and as you go deeper, this is our actual studio. And speaking of studios, here's a studio master himself. This is Ranbir, Pam. He will be the lead in terms of the LMS, contact, and also will be leading the video production as well. Ranbir, you want to say hi to Pam?
Hi, it's a dry run, right?
No, that's real, bro. Ranbir saying. Then, okay, we got to do it over now. All right, we're going to carry on from where we left off because Ranbir thought we were doing a dry run. So anyways, this is the lobby area. So while you and your team, the instructors are not recording, this is where they can hang out. We have a refrigerator with some refreshments. We'll probably have some food. There's a restroom back there. And as we go deeper into our office space, so we have some offices on both sides. And then this is the actual studio. And this is actually a good day to record because we are actually prepping for a shoot this afternoon for Microsoft. And this is the rest of the team I want to introduce you to, Pam. There's Ranbir taking a picture of me. This is Kanan. Kanan is the videographer and the video god. And editor. So this is Kanan's domain. This is where Kanan lives, and once he captures the content, he will take it back to the studio, backside of the studio, and edit and so much other stuff.
That's where he really lives, in the studio.
That's where he.
I sleep right there.
Hey, Kanan, you want to go over maybe the green screen component of the studio?
Yeah, sure. So right now we're set up for a shoot. Camera here. We got a teleprompter in front so people can read scripts. Talent sits in this seat right there with the table. That's how we have it set up right now. Obviously, it can be changed around. It's a versatile space. We got the 4 LED lights up front for the talent, 2 soft boxes in the back for the green screen. That's like the basic breakdown. I mean, what do you want?
Yeah. What are the benefits of a green screen, Kanan? Let's talk about
Benefits
that.
of the green screen. Well, we can put you anywhere you want to go in the world. All right, we're talking vacations. We're talking conferences.
And as you've seen some of the videos, Pam, I have Ranbir and Kanan have placed me on mountainsides, countryside, as I talk about GDPR and cybersecurity. So pretty much whatever you want, we can actually do it. So a lot of the stuff we do is standing up. This is from your presenter's view. There's a teleprompter there. The team will be here to guide you throughout. And this is where Ranbir comes in. Hey, Ranbir, you want to say hi again? This is actually not a dry run. So Ranbir is the project manager, and he will be the lead when it comes to production and the technology. So this is kind of where Ranbir lives. So Ranbir, you want to talk about what's happening here?
Yeah, so what we have here is a live production box. It's called the TriCaster. What this allows us to do is basically have a streaming studio on the go. We do a lot of live events, and how we have it set up in our studio is,
Here's Kenan.
as you can see, is we can actually bring in a live feed into this and do a live green screen pull. What this does is speed up the production process by over 50%, we found, and it makes our job a little bit easier, where we can have everything done live, and it helps with the client, whoever's filming here, they get to see exactly how everything looks, and so they know exactly what they're getting themselves into.
Yeah, and Ryan's team ATD was here actually just last week. We're working on this, so that was a lot of fun. Another benefit of this is we can do a lot of the production components beforehand and afterwards. So a lot of just speeds up the whole process. So thanks so much, Ranveer.
Thank you.
All right, back to the studio. I know Ryan had mentioned, Pam, that one of your concerns was there might not be enough time. The beautiful thing about doing micro learning is we do small components. So if something is missing, if something needs to be changed, we can always reach out to you where you are, where your assets are, and we always give you a microphone and some other technology to take with you. And that way you can just do a kind of a voiceover or some kind of a recording, and we can add that to the video, a part of the training. And of course, you're not here, so we'll layer that with some kind of slides or some kind of animation. So in other words, you don't have to re-record everything because you're not here. We can still make edits and make changes. And I sent the contract out to you, and I added as many details as I could. But there's so much more. That's I kind of like talk about it like from a box score of sports. There's these things that are measurable, but there's so much more that goes into it that you just can't. The hustle, the experience, all that stuff that can't be documented, and that's what's really going to be the differentiator of using us versus a lot of the other solutions. We have over, I think, 6,000 videos under our belt for some of the biggest organizations in the world, and Ranbir's already sent you a small library sample size. So that's where the experience really comes in. Now we will go back to the back part of the studio where the magic really happens. This is actually my office where I just do a lot of phone calls. And this is, you have already met Kyra, and she is probably out to lunch. But that's where Kyra is. Ranbir's second office here. And we also have Meredith here today. Hi, Meredith. You want to say hi? Hi. Meredith leads our social media marketing and other marketing efforts. And as we record some of your content, we will edit it in such a way so that's available for all different channels. And this is where Meredith's expertise will come in when it comes to writing blogs, Instagram, Facebook, all the other great stuff. So, and here's Kanan taking that raw content, the raw footage, and doing his magic. And then Jamie is mostly here. Looks like she's working remotely, and you can actually see that nobody's sitting here, but there's things happening on the screen. So a lot of technology. We leverage technology a lot to do a lot of work. So that's a core team that'll be working with you. Thanks again for your time. Have a great evening, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Is it a one-hit wonder?
Dude, I forgot to hit record.